Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get Chase Sapphire Reserve credit card. First of all, if I open up an internet browser on my PC, you can see that I am on the chase.com website. Here, make sure to sign into your account by using the logins fields at the right side. After signing in, navigate to the card section and then access Sapphire Reserve Credit Card tab. Here, all of the information regarding this card will be present. In order to start ordering it, click the Apply button at the bottom, and this type of application form will open up in a new window. Now, you will need to enter the required information like your complete name, date of birth, address, and things like that. Once you are done with all of that, make sure to check mark all of the terms and then click on the Submit button. It will now start loading up your information and send it ahead for verification purposes. If you are a Chase customer, then the verification will be done live in front of you. Since I am a guest customer, the verification results will be shared with me later. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.